Excellent tour. Best of all, it's private. Mr. Hank explains things very well without being overwhelming and is very attentive throughout. 100% recommended. Great tour with a very knowledgeable guide. Extremely satisfied. Of the 3 islands, Bonaire was my favorite thanks to this tour. We spent 4 hours with Hank on a private tour, and what a delight. When it comes to the history of his island, he is an expert. You choose from 4 languages, English, Dutch, Spanish, or the native language of Papiamentu. He is a very safe driver and didn't spare any details. I would highly recommend him, and don't wait to book until you dock. We toured the south end of the island. Just tell him what you want to see, and if you are not sure, he'll know where to go. An extremely pleasant experience all around. Tour was nice. Picked up by driver with sign outside of port. Had to walk a ways to the van. Tour was informative, nice sights around the whole island. We requested to not stop other than the salt mines and beach. We still didn't have much time on the beach. Would opt not take this tour if you wanna enjoy just the beach.